Friends, I am teaching today a letter to God, part 3, page number 6. The postmaster, a fat, amiable fellow, also broke out laughing, but almost immediately he turned serious and tapping the letter on his desk, commented, "What faith I wish I had the faith of the man who wrote this letter, standing up a correspondence with God." The postmaster was a fat and fairly natured man. When he saw the letter and saw God written on the envelope address, he started laughing, but after some time he became serious to see the astonishing faith of the man in God, and he decided to read the letter. When he read the letter, he knew that Lencho wanted some money from God. Not to save the faith of the man in God, he decided to help Lencho, and for this purpose. So, in order not to save the writer's faith in God, the postmaster came up with an idea, answered the letter, but when he opened it, it was evident that to answer it, he needed something more than goodwill, ink and paper. But he stuck to his resolution. He asked for money from his replies. He himself gave a part of his salary and served, and several friends of his were obliged to give something for an act of charity. And for this purpose, he collected money from his friends, his colleagues, his employees, and he himself doing a part of his salary. It was impossible for him to gather together the 100 pesos, so he was able to send the farmer only a little more than half. He put the money in an envelope, addressed to Lencho, and with it a letter containing only a single word as a signature God. But he couldn't manage the sum of the amount Lencho had demanded. Hardly he could manage 70 pesos, and after collecting the sum of 70 pesos, he put the money in the envelope and closed and he wrote God and signature, and closed the envelope, and on the envelope he wrote the address of Lencho, and he dropped the envelope into the mailbox letter box, so that the letter may go to Lencho. Today's word meaning: goodwill, helpful, attitude, resolution, a firm decision. Homework: who read the letter? What did the postmaster do then?